the Phonics class. Today's topic is 3-letter CVC words along with art family. Children, if you are new to my channel, please refer my previous videos for better understanding. Children, we all know about CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. As I already told you, blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Alright, children, are you excited about today's class? Yes, that's great. Here we go. Letter O. O makes the sound A. Letter T. T makes the sound T. Letter O and T together makes the sound art. Now we are going to learn words with art sound. K. Art. Cart. K. Art. Cart. Art. 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 L. Art. Lot. L. Art. Lot. Art. Not. Art. Not. P. Art. Part. P. Art. Part. Children, here we have some more words to practice. You all can practice with me. Dot. Rot. Dot. Children, let's all have a quick review. You all can read with me. Cart. Dot. Heart. Lot. Not. Part. Rot. Tart. Children, practice these words every day. Yes, practicing is so important. It will make you perfect reader. I hope you all had fun reading with me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.